Hi guys, thanks for watching. In this video you will learn how to cutting ladies blouse. This is a step-by-step tutorial that will guide you on how to cutting basic blouse. Measurements: length 14 inch, chest 36 inch, waist 32 inch, slip length 14 inch, shoulder 15 inch, slip opening 11 inch, neck width 7 inch, back neck width 5 inch, front neck width 5 inch. Start cutting. Shoulder line, center back line, 1.5 inch mark for center back, seam margin, center back button line, seam allowance and folding line. Here we make back neck width 7 inch, 3.5 inch, 3.5 inch, half inch seam allowance. Here we make back neck width 5 inch, half inch seam margin. Here we make shoulder is 15, half 7.5 inch, 7.5 inch, half inch seam margin. Here we mix armhole deep, chest is 36 divided by 4, 9 inch, 1.25 inch, left minus 7.34 inch armhole deep position and chest line. Here we make chest is 36 divided by 4, 9 inch, 2 inch seam margin and extra loose. Here we make blouse length 14 inch, 1.5 inch seam margin. Here we make armhole, back armhole line. Here we make shoulders slope, half inch. Here we make back waist dart. Three and half inch dart length, dart deep 1 inch. Blouse back part drawing finish. back part cutting finish. Now here we make front part. Back neck, front neck with same as the back. Front armhole deep 7 3/4 inch. Chest 36 divided by 4 9 2 inch loose and seam margin. Here we make blouse length 14 inch. Here we make front dart. Front bars dart length. Then waist 32 divided by 4 8 inch 2 inch loose and seam margin. Here we added seam allowance 38 1.5 seam margin. Blouse front drawing finished. Now I start cutting front part. Front part, back to part. Now here we cut slip. We measure front armhole line 7 3/4 inch. 7 3/4 inch divided by 2 378 inch slip cap height. Here we make slip length 14 inch. One and a half inch seam margin. Slip opening 11 inch. Half 5.5 inch. Front slip side, front slip side, back slip side. Blouse cutting finish, slip, back part, front part.